Hey guys, it's Taylor. Today I'm going to be doing a how to get rid of peach fuzz on your face, and also a little bit of a, I guess, a first impression as well with that, because I've actually never done it, and so it's going to be interesting to see how it works. I've watched heaps of videos and that's where I got the idea from. I'd seen people doing it and I was like, oh my gosh, that's what I need, because I sometimes find when I'm putting foundation on or I put powder, it kind of goes a slight different colour around here where I've probably, you know, everyone gets a little bit of a, you know, has their little moat. I mean, you can't really see it on my skin because my hairs are so light, but it's what I find my foundation and sometimes powder can kind of cling to. And so I'm hoping that by getting rid of this peach fuzz, it will make my foundation look more flawless and go on so much nicer. So fingers crossed it goes well. So I went down to one of my local Asian stores and I was like, they love beauty stuff. I was like, and those stores have everything, man, everything. And so I was like, I'm so sure they'll have one of those eyebrow razors. That's what people use to get rid of the peach fuzz. So I went down there, voila, found it. And it is in a packet and it says Wrinkle eyebrow razor. And this was like only $2 or $3 and I get 3 different ones. So yay, I'm all about value for money. So good. Right, so I'm going to open it up and then I'll follow the instructions on how to get this going. I'm going to use the pink one because I love pink. So let's read the instructions. Let's put my hair out of the way. Okay. Whew. So it says, instructions. First, remove the safety cap from the razor. Removed. Glide the razor slowly downward. Don't press too hard. For more effective use, apply the shaving cream before shaving. After use, be sure to put the safety cap on with razor and keep it out of reach. Okay, for effective use, use shaving cream. I'm going to go see if I can find some. Okay, so I found some shaving foam. Shaving cream. I'm sure shaving foam will be like the same. And I'm just using whatever my dad and my brother use. So, and this is just Nivea Men Sensitive shaving foam. So I'm going to put that on my skin. So I'm going to try and remove. There's not much hairs up here, so it's probably more around here and across here that I'm going to try and do. Holy moly. That was a lot. I'm just going to put this on. So I'm going to get it in my hair. Oh, this is weird. I really don't want it scratching my skin. I don't want to get a big nasty shaving cut. Okay, so I've just put that on my skin, and now that's actually made my skin quite nice, and my fingers are just gliding over my skin. So that will hopefully make the razor blade. Right. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, I'll try and zoom up. I'm just going to start right here. I'm just like lightly making it go over my skin. Oh, and I can see lots of little hairs on here. Perfect. The shaving cream is definitely helping. I feel like it would probably kind of hurt going on just dry skin. And I'm just going to use a wet wipe to take off the excess here that gets stuck. So I've kind of got the brush going on like a diagonal on my skin, so I'm not going straight down like that. I've kind of got it on a diagonal and just slowly going down my face, and that's taking off, oh my gosh, so much peach fuzz. Yes. I'll just take more of that off. This is actually so easy. I thought it was going to be a lot harder and going to need so much technique to it, but it's so much easier than I thought it was going to be, which is really good. Means that anybody can really do it if they would need to. I'll do the other side. Yes. It's actually kind of taking off some of my fake tan that's on my face. This is actually another type of exfoliator for your skin, because it's going on like probably taking off like a small layer of your skin with it as well, which is kind of yuck when you think about it, but you won't notice. At least you'll have like a face as smooth as a baby's bottom. Okay, now I'm gonna go for the big one, the mo. So I didn't realise that you could not see me shaving off the mo at this time, but all I was doing was just doing the same downward strokes, slowly just down over the mo, just to get those hairs off. So nothing different to what I was doing before. Ooh. And it definitely feels a lot better. And because now as if I kind of scrape over it, because you can kind of hear when it comes in contact with hair. Like going over it now, I can't. It like is like a baby's bottom. There is no hair. I kind of need like a light just to see where the fuzz is if I've missed any. It's so hard to see. Just getting my phone light just to see if there's any. It's not very bright. It's just too bright. It's not picking up any hair, it's just picking up my sweat. That looks good. It feels quite nice. Okay. Alright, I think I'm done. I just really want to make sure my lip's done because that's where I find it. Foundation stuff clings to, and I feel like I look like Homer Simpson because I've got one colour foundation and then I've got this colour that kind of clings around here and it goes like a yellowy, like I'm just like, yuck. Ugh. Cool. I'm just gonna get a baby wipe just to wipe any excess in the shaving foam off. Get that going. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. That feels so good. Oh my gosh. Oh. Why haven't I done this before? Feels so good. Okay, then what I'm gonna put over it is a bit of aloe vera. This is like ultimate natural aloe vera because it's come right off my aloe vera plant. So one of my good friends, she's like another nana to me. She's all about skincare and I love it. So she gives all this great advice, and so she was telling me about aloe vera, and she was like, I always have an aloe vera plant because they're so good for cuts and burns and scarring, so they help with healing scarring, but it's the most natural aloe vera you can get. If it comes straight from the plant, there's no added preservatives, there's no nothing, it's just aloe vera. So she came with me and helped me find an aloe vera plant, and I've got one. It's been growing so great in the summer because it's like it's a kind of type of cactus. What I'll do is I'll get a bit of the leaf, I'll cut a bit off, maybe about that big. I'll put it in a snap lock bag, seal it and put it in the fridge and to keep it to when I need it. And so sometimes at night or during the day, or if I've been out in the sun for quite a lot, I'll put it on and just put it around down my eyes and all over my face, down my neck a bit and on the top of my hands, just to help with like anti-aging and just soothing the skin and tightening the skin, and it makes the skin feel so good. I love it. So I've got an aloe vera and I'm just going to, I've just ripped a bit. Anyway, so I had the aloe vera plant, I cut off a little bit from the big bit I had and I just split it open in the middle. So I've got this here, and I'm just going to get the really gooey side that's got all the little clear stuff in it, and I'm just going to put that all over where I put that the razor and the shaving stuff, just to soothe my skin after. I mean, you can just use aloe vera gel if you've got some. It'll just help with like redness. Aloe vera is great for like if you get waxes, so like on your so if you get like an eyebrow wax, or it helps to reduce the redness and bring it down, just because the skin's, you know, obviously it sometimes irritates the skin and you get quite red, you feel a bit burny. So I've just put that around everywhere. I'm going to use the other side too, and especially if it's been in the fridge, it's so nice and cooling on your face. So I'm just going to let that set in, and then I'm going to go and put some makeup on, and then I'll get back to you about how the application of my makeup and look has or has not changed from the dermaplaning. See you soon. So I'm back, just finished doing my makeup. If you like this look, actually, I'll put the link down below for this first impressions on this eye palette. So, but anyway, I'm back, done my makeup. My skin feels so nice. When I put on the primer all over my face, I was like, my skin felt like a baby's bottom. It was just the best. And it has made the application of my skin go on so much nicer. I'll try and show you. Around here, it just went on so nice. And around here, where I said I had lots more hairs, I don't have a different colour around my like lips area, upper lip area. Like it was all the same colour. It didn't powder or foundation didn't cling to the hairs because there's no hairs there. So it made my foundation go on so much more flawlessly. And I'm so happy with the finish. So I will definitely keep using those razor blades because man, that is just something so simple to do, so easy, and it has changed, just a slight change, like not many people will notice, but you know, it just kind of changes the look. Like my foundation goes on nicer, it's a lot smoother, it's like just nice looking, and I feel so much better about my makeup application and the overall product. It looks so good. Love it. So if you have any questions about dermaplaning, please comment below and ask me. I have thoroughly enjoyed the experience. It's been great. So hope you have enjoyed this how to get rid of that peach fuzz, because I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. See ya.